ikaw na ang sagot. Akala ko sa'yo na ang aking bukas, pero dumating ang araw na umalis ka, at naiwan akong tanong ay walang kasagutan. I try to hold on, I try to understand, pero may mga bagay na kailangan kong bitawan. Sa gitna ng luha lumuhod ako at sinabi ko, Lord, ikaw na ang bahala sa puso ko. Mawala ka, akala ko mag-isa ako, pero doon ko nakita God was holding me close. When everyone leaves and everything changes, His love remains forever the same. Hindi ako iniwan ng Diyos, kahit iniwan mo ako. When my heart was broken, He was there to hold me close. Hindi ako pinabayaan, kahit hindi ko maintindihan. Maybe you are not my forever, but God will always be my foundation. May mga gabing gusto kong bumalik sa mga panahong masaya kahit sandali, pero sinabi ng Diyos sa puso ko, anak, may mas magandang plano ako. Hindi ko kailangang habulin ang taong piniling lumayo, because what God has prepared for me will never require me to lose my soul. Kaya ngayon I'm learning to let go, hindi dahil wala ng pagmamahal, but because I trust the one above, who knows exactly what I need. Hindi ako iniwan ng Diyos, kahit iniwan mo ako. When my heart was broken, He was there to hold me close. Hindi ako pinabayaan, kahit hindi ko maintindihan. Maybe you were not my forever, but God will always be my foundation. One day I'll look back and understand why God didn't let me hold your hand. Maybe the ending was not a punishment, maybe it was God's protection. At kung may bagong bukas na darating, hindi na ako matatakot muling magmahal, because before I love somebody else, I will make sure God is first in my heart. Hindi ako iniwan ng Diyos, kahit iniwan mo ako. He turned my tears into testimony, and my brokenness into victory. Hindi ako pinabayaan, may dahilan ang bawat pagkawala. You might have left my story, but God remained through it all. Kaya salamat sa nakaraan, salamat sa mga natutunan. I'm not looking back anymore, dahil hindi man ikaw ang kasama ko sa bukas, sigurado akong kasama ko ang Diyos. Hindi ako iniwan ng Diyos, at sapat na yun.